So I have written my cheat sheet or next previous question. I have typed few commands to know whether we are the Docker or LXD. So we did not, and then so I have run this one to see what are running as a root user, and you can see Python 3. So Python 3, why Python 3 is running as a root, and cron job. So that means we can, let's try to view cron tab. We did not have any information here. So afterwards I am checking in this part temp opt. So ls temp. So let's go to opt. So in that we have the file. So we have the folder server admin. So let's view the permissions first, and you can see we have only read access. So it's importing OS module to address to admin1 from admin2, trying to send a mail, and also this is a comment. So that means this command never executes. This is a comment, and you can see Sam Python developer. Okay, so we cannot execute this one, import OS. So what you can do is you can create a fake OS module. So in this folder let's create a os.py. So permission denied. So what you can do is locate os.py. So you can see this is executing as a Python 2, right? So you can see print statement, so it's Python 2. And now let's go to this directory, this one, cd, my bad. And then let's view the permissions. So we can write also. So you can see every other Python file does not have write permission except os.py. So that means you can think this is the right way for the privilege escalation. So nano os.py. Alright, so now press alt / to go to end of the file. So let's grab a reversal. So whenever the OS module has been loaded into the reporter.py, the whole code gets into the memory and gets executed. So that's how you can use the functions like os.system, change directory, or those functions you can execute without writing on our own. Okay, so we need to change some modifications. Copy this code and go to Python beautifier. So let's paste this and click on beautify. So one thing you need to do is you need to remove this import OS, because we are already in the OS module, and you need to remove this os.dup2, because in this OS module there will be already dup2 function, and we are going to call that. Okay, now let's change the port to 1234 and copy this part and paste it here, and let's save this. So before that, let's start the listener 1234. So we have successfully saved. Let's go to opt server admin. Set date, so 16:15. So let's wait for 1 minute. So you can see after the minute has been passed, you got the root shell. So cron tab -l. So, okay, it's executing for every 2 minutes and executing this python file. So we have successfully rooted the box. I'm sorry, I should get the root again. So we got the root shell again. Now what we are going to do is, we got the root shell, let's say ls root. So we got the